Once upon a time, I was all alone. How you like me now? Do I turn you on?
Hey guys, what's up? It's Jessyca Guzman, and this is Andrew Burciaga. He has a YouTube as well, makes vlogs, and his YouTube channel will be linked down below. So today I'm gonna give him a makeover, and let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and create a line at the bottom of his eyebrows. This is what I'm gonna use, just because Andrew's whiter than me. Shape his eyebrow because he has very hairy eyebrows. Don't move, son. So you're gonna want to create that line. Is this the first time someone does your makeup?
I had to do makeup for a couple of plays that I did back in high school. Yeah, I didn't know how to put on my own makeup, and so we had the girls.
That's pretty filled in, honestly.
15 minutes.
Just because he has very hairy eyebrows.
Oh, thank you.
So we're gonna do Andrew's eyeshadow. What I am gonna be using.
I was not informed of this. I'm
gonna go ahead and use this brush right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so we're gonna use the Salvaje palette. It looks like this. Is it focus? Okay. We're gonna go ahead. Hold on. We're gonna start by blending this. Like bring it in. Do it on his cut crease.
My what?
Cut crease.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna use this brush right here, and we're gonna go ahead and dip this brush in caramelo. Yes. We're gonna go ahead and put that like towards the end, bring it into the middle, and start blending. So it should look something like that. Darker look. Cut crease.
Oh.
Look up. Look up. No, look up. Open your eye.
Oh.
Look up like that. Okay, there. Look down. There you go. There. That's fine. And that's where his cut crease line is. So you want to start filling it in.
I'm helping her make a world star. I'm helping her make her makeup video.
So do the same thing on the other side.
Yeah, they said world. Yeah, she's making. She asked me to be her model, and I said sure.
Andrew's my only friend.
Till just now. Wait. Oh, you were asleep until right now. Okay.
So then we go back. What?
What's on the brush?
This is okay. The brush is white and pink, but it's white. And then we go back with the color white. Highlight to the white area of his eye, which is supposed to be like the cut crease part. Same thing on the other side. Try to just tap it on so it could give you that look. Some concealer on
Oh
him.
my god, there's more.
Yeah, there's more, bro. Shit. And I'm gonna use this little palette. Honestly, this palette is not any professional or whatever.
Fix my broken nose.
Who said that?
Yes, Malia. Andrew's
I'm gonna need you to actually not talk at all and do not move. Open your eye. Can you open it?
I don't want to. I really don't want to.
Open your eye.
Scared. I'm fucking scared right now.
Stop! No! with ColourPop Becky G Secreto.
Oh.
Are you ready? Alright, go like that. There you go. This is Andrew. Yep. Pretty soft glam. Alright guys, this is my finished soft glam makeup look. The products I basically used was Anastasia on the eyes, Becky G Salvaje palette on the lids, and highlight especially on the lids. Lashes are by Kiss. Lips are by Becky G, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna be posting more videos, so give this a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.
All right, bye guys.
Bye.